Hello and welcome to another video for Parajumbles. This is Preetinder Kaur for Perfect Scores. And in this video, we are going to cover these four sentences and look at the options very quickly. It's having one option with A as the first sentence, one option with B, two options with C. And you either end the paragraph with D or you end it with a C. There's a higher chance of ending it with D. So let's go to the options. As operating systems, Latin and French outlived the strategic preeminence of Rome and France. Nor will Chinese, Russian, or Indian culture soon shoulder aside the American version, high or low, whose draw is embodied by Harvard and Hollywood. Now, the sentence begins with nor. That means it definitely cannot be the first option. So that is gone. And with that, you're left with D being the last sentence. So that is kind of like 100% that D has to be the last sentence of this paragraph. Option C. Once a standard exists, it tends to perpetuate itself. Just like the dollar, for all its ups and downs, will not soon yield to the euro or the renminbi. By such measures, no other trivial, not even China, comes close to America, whatever the country's many familiar failings and riches of the rising West. So that's option D, and you know that D is not beginning the paragraph because it's at the end of the paragraph. So there's only one choice that you have to make. Is it C that begins the paragraph or A? Now you see A and B are talking about some specific examples, talking about systems or languages. So it has to be option C that begins the paragraph because C talks about the topic, which is a standard. So definitely it will begin with C, and that means option 1 is gone. So you either have CBAD or CABD. So you have to make a choice between AB or BA. Let's see if we can figure out the order between A and B. Now let's look at the options. Once a standard exists, it tends to perpetuate itself. Like the dollar, for all its ups and downs, will not soon yield to the euro or the renminbi. Now it makes logical sense to use something related to the word not in the next sentence, which is going to be B. Nor will Chinese, Russian, or Indian culture soon shoulder aside American version, whose draw is embodied by Harvard and Hollywood. So it's going to be option B after C, which leads us with this as the answer, which is going to be option 3. And 4th is also eliminated, so 3 is the answer. And just to make it clear, let's go through some of the words over here. Now, eminence means importance, and draw over here is being used at the sense of attraction. That's the sense of the word draw being used. That's the context. So that's going to be your answer, C, B, A, and then D. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to email us, to visit our website, and to share our page. Thank you so much.